Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to set the correct Outlook SMTP settings to send emails. If you're trying to send emails using Outlook through another app, website, or automation tool and it's not working, chances are your SMTP settings aren't configured correctly. SMTP, short for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, is what allows your emails to actually be sent out. Without the correct setup, your messages will either fail or never leave your system. The good news is that once you understand the settings and where to enable them, the process is straightforward. To begin, go to Microsoft Outlook and log into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, look for the settings icon, usually a gear icon, in the top right corner. Click on it. Inside the settings menu, go to the Mail section. Now look for Forwarding and IMAP, sometimes labeled as POP or IMAP settings. Click on it. You'll see options for both POP and IMAP. Turn on POP access, IMAP access. Clarification: IMAP allows syncing emails across devices, recommended for most users. POP downloads emails locally and is used in some systems. Enabling both ensures maximum compatibility when connecting external tools or services. After enabling them, click Save. Now that access is enabled, you need to configure your SMTP details in the app or service you're using. Use the following standard Outlook SMTP settings: SMTP server, smtp.office365.com, port 587, encryption, start TLS or TLS, username, your full Outlook email address, password, your Outlook account password. Make sure SMTP authentication is enabled. This means you must log in with your email and password to send emails. Important: if you're using two-factor authentication, you may need to create an app password instead of using your normal password. After entering all the settings, save your configuration in the app or platform you're using. Using Microsoft Outlook with the correct SMTP configuration ensures reliable and secure email delivery. To summarize, setting up Outlook SMTP involves enabling POP and IMAP in settings, then using smtp.office365.com with port 587, TLS encryption, and your login credentials. This allows you to send emails from external apps or services successfully. And that's how to set the correct Outlook SMTP settings to send emails. Once everything is configured properly, you'll have a reliable system for sending emails whether you're using apps, websites, or automation tools. The key is understanding that sending emails isn't just about writing them, it's about having the correct backend setup that actually delivers them. If something doesn't work, don't panic. Just go back and check each setting step by step. Most issues come down to small configuration mistakes. As you get more comfortable with this, you'll be able to connect Outlook to a wide range of tools and workflows, making your email system much more powerful. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.